he's stuck. Let's go. Dang, that was so close. This fire is like burning. Oh my god. Gotta jump. Whoa, watch out. Let's go. Tiger, be here to save you. Yeah. Those fires are dangerous. Wow. No. Okay, just take it. We gotta go. We gotta go to the bicycle again. All the bicycles? Jump! Yeah, no. Not enough room up here. Hi guys! You're here to save me! Yeah, we are! Just keep walking. Run! Jump! Wait, no! Dang, that was close! Tiger, we're here. Bye! Guys, what happened here? Double Divia set it to fire. They're doing Double Divia doing all this stuff. We need to defeat Double Divia. Oh, okay. Sure to do it. But there's like fire everywhere. What do you do when there's fire everywhere? Just whatever. The next part is on this next to my freezer. Beyond that, this has a freezer. No, that's a little mountain. Yeah, the freezer is cold, so Double Divia never set it to fire here. So we gotta keep stuck in the freezer. Oh, here we go. Oh no! This is my freezer. Where are you standing next to? Why is there a Stegosaurus? Oh no, guys, Rex is trapped on that. I can't move. Ma, I'm stuck in quicksand. Oh my god, there must be quicksand.
Why did they hatch you up there?